All right, July 1st, 1 o'clock. Can you see what I see? Yeah, we need to figure out something different. For sure. Now, there's like a cute baby there in the back. But do you see that? This is getting insane. Help me. Anybody know how to get rid of coons? They can obviously climb up the pole. Busted. They've got all the ones in the back. They're like climbing out of the trees. Dang. He don't care. Let's see how close we can get. Look at that, man. Saint Frick de Cirque du Soleil. Bugs. Where? It's like that commercial. They're my suggestions, guys. Hello, I see you. I think this is the blind one. That one eye does not reflect right. I see you. Can you get down, please? Hello? Hello? Dude, could you get down? Are you stuck? Could you? Thanks. Yeah, just keep going. Keep going. Go on. Thank you. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching.